The next question is from the YouTube. What is the time duration for completion of the courses? If you're asking that, should it be done simultaneously? Can it be done later on? Duration. Once you enroll in the course, you can do part of it today, part of it tomorrow, part of it after a few days, no problem. This would be saved in your personal history. On the Hidaayah platform, when you're doing any course, the duration of the course per se, there are two types of courses, the short courses and the long courses. The short courses, the videos normally are for approximately 2.5 hours, the short courses. Some are even for 1.5 hours, some are even for 1 hour. Some short courses, the video is for less than 1 hour. Some short courses, the video is for 3 hours, 4 hours. Average is 2.5 hours, but it can extend to 4 or 5 hours. The long courses, the videos are more than 6 hours, can extend up to 300 hours. Along with the video, there's a transcript. Reading the transcript can take you less than the duration of the video. Assessment normally takes, if the short course takes about 20 minutes to half an hour. If it is a long course, depending upon the length of the course, it may take longer, may take few hours. So the full course, watching the full video and not reading the full script partly, or doing the assessment, the duration ranges for a short course for about 3 to 5 hours, maybe less, maybe more. For the long course, it's normally more than 7-8 hours, going to 10 hours to 15 hours, maybe much more, can go into 100 hours also, depending upon the course. If you are saying that can you do partly, yes, all the courses, whether short course or long course, you can do 25%, 10%, 5%, you can stop it. It remains in the memory of your personal history. It says 10% of the course completed, 20% of the course completed, 50% completed. You can resume from where you have left. Similarly, with the script, the courses are divided into lessons. In the short courses, you have normally 6 lessons. Some have 2 lessons, some have 3, some have 4, some have 10, some have 15. But normally, most of the short courses have 6 lessons, each of about 25 minutes. And this can be done at one go together, can be done in 2-3 settings, depending upon you. This is your option, and this facility is there on the Hidaayah platform.